If your Geodirectory add listing form is very lengthy and boring for end user to be submitted, and if you want to convert your add listing form into a beautiful stepwise form like this, then I'm gonna share a plugin with you called Geodirectory Stepwise Form. You can download this plugin from buddydevelopers.com, and going in the product section, we have kept the price to be very minimum, so you can purchase it from here. I already have a copy of this plugin with me, so I will go in my local site and show you a demo of how to set up this plugin. To do so, let's go to WP admin, go to plugin section, add new. Now upload the plugin zip. Let's activate this plugin. Now you'll see a stepwise form field here, menu here. Go to this menu. Right now there is only one style, but many other style of this form are coming soon, so just keep it like this. Go to your CPT where you want to convert the form into stepwise form. Go to settings. In the field section you will see another field called steps. Just add this field, drag it to the top, and make sure to have the first tab of this step. Name it to anything if you want to give it a name. I'm giving this step a name called basic detail. Save this. Let's add the second step. My second step will be contact details, so I'm gonna name it to contact details. Now the field got saved. Let's drag it to proper position. So my contact details step will get started from, so from this basic detail step will be from title to category, and then the contact detail step will begin. Now let's add the third step called property detail. Now I'm gonna drag this to here. So now my step got created. My basic detail is till category. Then the next step began for contact detail, which is still images, and then the property detail. Now we'll go in the front end and check my add listing form. As you can see, my add listing form got converted into a stepwise form. Here you can see it dragging to the next step, and here you have the submit form. You can move to the previous step and further to the basic step. This is how you can convert your add listing form into a beautiful stepwise form, and there are many more designs are coming soon where we gonna put these instead of step you will have the slider, and also the many more other effect will come in the upcoming version of this plugin. So you can go to buddydevelopers.com, and from the product section you can buy this plugin called Geodirectory Stepwise Form. I'm putting the link of this plugin in the description. So you can follow the link from there. See you in the next video. Have a great day.